Don't mind the chiming or the clanking. Hey y'all, V2 here with Accountable Mornings, coming in with a daily update. Today is day number 413 of my health journey, and this morning I weighed in at 156.5. No, I'm sorry, 157.5. And that puts my body weight percentage at 24.8 or something like that. So weight's a little higher than usual, but not that much higher. But it's fine because I've been eating, let's just say my diet can use some work. But I have been waking up early in the morning to do my workouts. Today I woke up early. I did some stuff in the gym, a lot of complex movements, a lot of focused movements, things like that with the kettlebell, the mace, the dumbbells, everything. So it was a really good workout. And now I'm playing golf. Yeah. That's it for now. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for keeping me accountable. Take care. Peace.